how to animate images and turn them into videos. Using AI tools, it's quite easy, but which one to choose? I prepared a sample for you using 6 of them. I chose an image of the monastery in Marianske Týnica and gave the AI the task of creating a drone flyover of the monastery. And how did it turn out? Pretty well. Judge for yourself. Firstly, Haiper. Secondly, Kaiber. Thirdly, Leonardo AI, such as advanced. Fourth, Luma AI technology, advanced. Fifth, Pika, such as, and sixth, Runway, for example. The differences in prices of individual AI tools are not very significant, and usually you can do a little something even with the free version. But if you want a bit more, you'll have to pay extra. Prices start at a few dollars per month and go up to hundreds. There is usually a 20% discount on annual subscriptions. You can find the links on the Pilsen AI website. So which generator do you think is the best? I like the output from Luma AI the most. I'll try to generate something substantial with Luma. According to the videos on the internet, it looks really impressive. But Pika wasn't bad either. I was pleasantly surprised by Haiper and Leonardo AI as well. Kaiber wasn't very good for these purposes. And I found Runway the most amusing. It even imagined a body of water. I look forward to seeing you next time with another test of AI tools.